Good morning, everybody. Good morning, friends. How are you today? It's me, Miss Sarah again, and welcome to Preschool Play for Parent and Me. We have a lot of fun things that we're going to do today, and as always, I want to welcome everybody to Denver Park and Recreation's online virtual programming. Today's class is going to be perfect for ages 0 to 4, so if this is your first time joining us, I really encourage you to come sit down. We're going to have some songs, some story time, we're going to do a craft. It's going to be a really good time, okay? So we're always going to start off, as always, with our hello song. You guys ready to sing it with me? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? All right, and now we're gonna sign it. So if this is your first time with this class, I always like to sign our song too, because it's really great, especially for little babies who don't have developed vocal cords yet. So let's sing it again. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Good job. Can you give yourself a round of applause? Oh, that's great. This is perfect warming up for our signs of the day. I always have 2 signs of the day, one for big kids and one for our younger kids. So for our younger kids today, last week we learned Mom and Grandma. This week we're going to learn Dad and Grandpa. So how we do Dad and Grandpa is similar to Mom. Let me see your hands. Put your hands out. And then for men, we'll do it up here. Can you put your thumb to your forehead? Just like this? That's Dad. See Dad? Dad or Daddy. And then for Grandpa, it's the same thing, except just like Grandma, we're gonna go out one. So Grandpa or Papa. What do you call your grandpa? This is Grandpa. So Dad and then Grandpa. Can you guys do it with me? Let me see Dad. That's right. And can you show me Grandpa? Grandpa. That's right. Good job. So I have some fun songs that we're going to sing today, okay? And this one, I'm definitely going to need to make sure that you have your hands. So warm up your hands. Warm them up. Can you warm up your arms? Warm up your arms. Perfect. Our first song goes like this. Can you go like this? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The gas on the bus goes glug, 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 glug. The gas on the bus goes glug, 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 all through the town. The money on the bus goes clink, 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 clink. The money on the bus goes clink, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus says where, 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 where. The baby on the bus says where, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The people on the bus say shh, 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 all through the town. The mommy on the bus says I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddy on the bus says I love you too, all through the town. Good job! All right, here another one.
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your head. Head!
Where's your head?
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put Put it on your nose. Nose.
Your nose.
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your chin. Chin.
See your chin?
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your arm. Arm. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your leg. Leg.
Your leg. Switch arms here.
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Put it on your foot.
Where's your foot? Mine's
Put
all the
it
way
on your
here.
leg.
Leg.
Put it on your arm.
Arm.
Put it on your chin. Chin. Put it on your nose. Nose. Put it on your head. Head. Now let's wave goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye. Good job. All right, here's another one.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with a C.
C.
Put it in the oven for Carlos and me.
Anybody's name Carlos? Here we go.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with an A.
A.
Put it in the oven for Amy and me.
Do you know an Amy? I do. Okay, here's your patty cakes. Patty cake high, patty cake low. Good job. Round of applause, everybody. Really good job. Okay, those were some fun songs. Now it's time for our story. So let's go ahead and come over here. I brought another book for us today. This book is called Leonardo the Terrible Monster by Mo Williams. All right, are we ready? Let's gather around. Ooh, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. Leonardo was a terrible monster. Oh, he looks a little sad. He couldn't scare anyone. Oh, they just think he's cute. He didn't have 1,642 teeth like Tony. Oh, those teeth. He wasn't big like Eleanor. Whoa, that's a tall monster. And he wasn't just plain weird like Hector. Leonardo tried very hard to be scary, but he just wasn't. One day, Leonardo had an idea. He would find the most scaredy-cat kid in the whole world and scare the tuna salad out of him. He's gonna look for a scaredy-cat kid. Let's see what happens. Leonardo researched until he found the perfect candidate. Oh, I wonder who it's gonna be. Sam. Leonardo snuck up on poor Sam, an unsuspecting boy. And the monster gave it all that he had. Look at girl. He's trying to scare Sam. Until the little boy cried. Oh no. Yes, cheered Leonardo. I did it. I finally scared the tuna salad out of someone. No, you didn't, snapped Sam. Oh yeah, replied Leonardo. Then why are you crying? My mean big brother stole my action figure right out of my hands while I was still playing with it, and then he went on purpose, then he broke it, and it was my friend I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. I got mad, I could tell when I stubbed my toe, and I was able to hurt less and accidentally slipped in the bathtub after I got sent of his friend. Uh-oh. That's why. Oh, Leonardo doesn't look too happy about that. Then Leonardo made a very big decision. It's okay. Instead of being a terrible monster, he would become a wonderful friend. He's giving him a hug. Oh, look at that. They're friends. They're holding hands. But that didn't mean that he couldn't try to scare his friend now and then. Ooh! The end. You guys like that story? I liked it too. Sometimes it's fun to remember that not all monsters are scary. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do our craft for today. Now, it's a new week. Does anybody know what's happening next week on Sunday? This weekend? It's a special holiday for someone really important. It's Mother's Day. So for Mother's Day, I thought that I could show you all how to make a flower portrait because I know as a mom myself, I love getting flowers. So this project is called Toilet Paper Bouquet, Toilet Paper Roll Bouquet. So here's what you need. You need a piece of paper, any kind, construction, computer, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is collect and save toilet paper rolls, or you can cut paper towel rolls in half. So I'm sure you have those, so make sure you just save some paper towel rolls. You'll need a pair of scissors, any kind, doesn't matter. And you're gonna need paint, any kind of paint, doesn't matter. I would say children's paint, acrylic paint, anything thicker works best, but you can pretty much do it with anything. You can even do it with ink pads technically. And I just have a little plastic lid here. This is just to put the paint on. You can use paper towel, paper plate, whatever you need. It's pretty simple. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and take a paper towel roll and you're gonna cut the ends to make it look like a flower. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut about a little bit down. Look at that. Super easy. And if you have an older kid who's 4, 5, using a pair of kid scissors, they could definitely do something like this. Perfect. And once I've cut this, you see, all you have to do is push it back and you kind of get this type of flower print. I made some right here, and then what happens is you kind of have now a stamp. So I'm going to pick a color. I think I want to make my flowers pink. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit of the pink here. There we go. And I'm gonna take my toilet paper roll. Now, if you gotta make sure you get the whole thing covered. So I'm gonna spread mine around a little. Let's see here. Oh. So this is where it might get a little messy, but I mean, is it even art if we're not getting a little messy and having fun? Almost there. Perfect. Now it might not be perfect, and that's okay. So once you have your flower, I'm gonna go ahead and just make a little stamp. Let's see, I might do that more. Perfect. Another thing that you can do, another one, I made one that kind of had petal shapes. Do you see? See how that one looks. Let's go ahead and boop. Now it takes a little bit of practice, and I know sometimes I like to just press down on the petals. It's just a really good way to get a much better shape. And then what I have to do is I like to get this wet again, and then I'm going to go back on the same one. Now I only did 4. You can do as many petals as you want, whatever you have to do. But you kind of start getting little stamps. It's a lot of fun for younger kids. And then what I like to do is take a little bit of yellow. If I can get it, there we go. And just use your thumb. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. And just go, boop. Let me try again over here. Boop. And you can just make all different kinds of flowers and shapes. My favorite part about this is that even though the flowers might not be super clean if you drew them, the scissors are a really great sensory way to go ahead and get your kid to work on their finger and wrist strength. And it's honestly just a fun craft that everybody can do together. So we're gonna try to add some blue in there. This is one that we just made. Get it nice and wet. Paint. Look at that. There we go. Boop. It's just things like that. It's a lot of fun, not too complicated. And that's how we're gonna do toilet paper roll flowers. Okay. So we went over everything that you need for that. We've done our songs. So the last thing that we have to do is our goodbye song. So it goes just like the first one. We'll go ahead and sing it and then we'll sign it, okay? Goodbye for now, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye for now, we'll see you soon on another day. Say goodbye for everybody. Goodbye for now, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye for now, we'll see you soon on another day. I thank you everybody so much. And I want to remind everybody for the rest of the week, please check out the rest of Denver Parks and Recreation's online programming. There's a lot of good stuff out there, and go ahead and check us out at Arts and Culture. We have some amazing things for adults and for kids. It's something for everybody. And I want to remind everybody to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative. Bye!